Yeah, quite a lot's happened.
Hey, Vanna!
But you and I had a fight recently.
Damn, Daniel!
Did I win?
No, I won, easily.
Doesn't sound right.
Well, it's true.
Hey, big guy. Huh?
I really think you should.
Hey, big guy.
What's up, guys? So I'm going to show you guys how to install apps that pretty much are broken like that on your device. So this can happen in many ways. For me, I had an SD card and actually got corrupted. So a couple of the apps I had got, I don't know, like pretty much what it means is that the app is somewhere on your device that you can't even see. It's like kind of like glitching away. So for example, this is what I'm right here. So you guys can see right here, it's telling me this prompt. This prompt pretty much means that it's installing a device. So all you would do is pretty much just, delete it and then you could install this. Sometimes you can just press install, I'm going to do right now. Sometimes it does work, okay? Not all the time. And in this case, it does not work. So I tried everything. I tried like going to, clearing cache, killing the data, taking an SD card out, taking it back in, installing it with the SD card out. I said restart my device, clearing the data, cache on Google, Google Play services. I even tried going to Google PlayStore and installing this, app or game. So I'm trying this on Dustwood. I just did this on Duolingo and it worked. So I want to make a video on it. Took me 10 hours to find this. So I want to at least share with you guys this. It does require a root device. You can try using it without a root device. You can try the ABD method. That did not work for me, but I do have a root, which came in clutch because I would never be able to do this. If it wasn't for the root. You might be able to do this without the root. You guys can try it for yourself. So I might just, it's a big app. It's like 300 something megabytes, and this is an old phone. So I might probably cut different parts of the video because I don't want to waste you guys' time just staring at the screen saying installing. So yeah, I'm going to cut the video and I'm going to show you when it does not install. I'll be right back. Also went through like all my files. Like I went through literally like all my file, like my SD card. I went through my whole internal files. I went through the settings, and for my installed apps. And that's the thing, is that this app is not installed. Like you can't install the app at all. It's literally not installing your device, which is crazy. But it's like pretty much it's in like your file system, not your file system, but it's in like your command line. So it's thinking that you have the app installed or the game installed when you really don't, and there's no way you can pretty much uninstall it unless you go through like the command line. So that's pretty much what we're kind of doing in this video. Most of this, like I said, I'm doing this through the phone because I have a root, but like you can do this on the computer without having a root device. So like I said, it's taken very long. I've been here for like 3 or 4 minutes while it's installing because it's like I think it's like maybe 400 or 500 megabytes. It's a pretty big app. So I'll cut it back and I'll be back with the video when it does actually fail to install. Okay, like literally 7 minutes later. There you go. App on install, okay? Press done here. And what we're going to do is actually go over to the Play Store, right? And type it in. Tap on install. And it's also not going to install on the Play Store. Came up. Can't install Dustword Detective Story. Okay. So, pretty much, I'm going to create this guy right here, guys. And you guys can see, this guy is amazing. So, easiest solution with root, download SH script runner, create a new script. You will need the package name, Google it, pmuninstall.com and .viber.voip. So you would pmuninstall.com, pmuninstall, then the app package name, and then you hit the middle floppy disk button and you pick use, root, and save. And then you hit the right play button, and this is going to be uninstall your app, and then you guys can install it again. You guys are good. So let me show you. So you're going to do to the Play Store. We're going to search up SH Script Runner, the only one right here. So, oops, not showing it. So right here, we search it up, tap onto it, and this is the app we want, SH Script Runner, okay? So we're going to install this. We're going to tap on open, and then we're going to go to Google, and we want to search up pretty much the package name. So I'm going to show right here on the screen. That is the package name. You guys can go to Google, just search up whatever app, like package name, Android app, whatever. So for me, I did Dustwood, Android, Dustwood, package name, and then it comes right up. That's the package name. So what we're going to do is actually go to create new scripts on the bottom here. We're going to tap on that pencil icon. We can name it, but we're going to tap the script here. So we're actually going to tap in pretty much what he said. It's going to be PM uninstall, which I'm gonna skip over it, so I'll type it in, I'll get back in the video. So PM uninstall, and then com dot ever by teststudio dot interactive dot text dot chat dot story dot rpg dot cyoa dot dustword. Alright, so some of it did get cut off. I did type in all that, guys, as you can see right there. So pretty much now I'm gonna do is yes, you can tap on the save button, right? So actually go here. Alright, tap on the save button. If you tap play, nothing happens, but yeah, tap the save button. And then when tap on, we have to give it a title. So I'll just type in Duskwood, name anything you guys want to name it. And then when tap on use root, you can try this without the root, but I think you might need a root. You can try without it. But I have a root, so tap on use root. And then we'll tap on save. Alright, and then after that, all we have to do, as you see, that one actually was a Duolingo. I just didn't delete, but this is Dustword. So all we're going to do is tap on the play. And you see, executing Dustword, it's executing the script. You got the granted pretty much the super user rights. That means, you know, we have root access. And that's really it. So after you run that script, guys, all we're going to do now is done. So we're going to go back to however you want to install it, whether that's through a third party or through PlayStore. And now it should work. And now we know it's going to work because before it came up, as you see on top right here, before it came up, you know, with the install an app on like an existing application, and now you see right here, it does not say that anymore. So now it's reading that this app is no longer in the system at all, so now it should work. So we're going to press install, and I'm going to get back to you guys when it does install. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. Surprisingly, that only took like 10 seconds. I don't know how, but yeah, as you see, it's installed. Now we tap on open down here, and that's it. We are now installed and can properly open up the app that before we could not open up before. So now you see fully working. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.